The Boeing 777X 2026 represents one of the most anticipated wide-body aircraft in modern aviation, combining advanced aerodynamics, next-generation engines, and a redesigned passenger experience. Its development journey has been long, but the final product showcases Boeing's effort to create an efficient and powerful successor to the already successful 777 family. Airlines see it as a long-range, high-capacity solution tailored for future global travel demands. A standout feature of the 777X is its composite folding wingtips. These extend the wingspan significantly during flight for better aerodynamics and fold up while on the ground for compatibility with existing airport gates. This unique engineering solution allows the aircraft to maintain superb fuel efficiency while avoiding operational limitations. The longer, flexible wings reduce drag and enhance lift, giving the aircraft superior long-haul performance. Powering the 777X is the GE9X engine, currently the largest and one of the most fuel-efficient commercial turbofan engines ever built. Its reduced fuel burn, quieter operation, and lower emissions make the aircraft more environmentally friendly. These engines allow the 777X to achieve long ranges while carrying more passengers with less operational cost, a major point of attraction for global carriers. Inside the cabin, the 2026 777X feels more like a luxury long-distance lounge than a typical aircraft. Boeing has widened the interior, allowing for larger windows, higher ceilings, and better lighting systems. Passengers can expect improved humidity control and cleaner air due to advanced filtration. The quiet cabin further elevates comfort, making ultra-long-haul flights far more bearable. Seating flexibility is another strong point. Airlines can configure the aircraft to suit regional or long-haul needs, ranging from premium heavy layouts to maximum capacity economy designs. Wider seats and more legroom in economy, combined with upgraded business class suites, give the 777X a competitive advantage over many contemporary wide-body jets. Boeing has also improved digital and connected systems throughout the aircraft. The flight deck incorporates advanced avionics, upgraded automation, and better displays to assist pilots during complex operations. Passengers benefit from next-gen entertainment systems, fast onboard Wi-Fi, and more power options, supporting the growing demand for connectivity during flights. Operational efficiency remains at the heart of the 777X. Airlines operating the older 777 models will find the transition smooth because the new aircraft retains familiar systems while introducing major improvements. Its reduced fuel burn, lower maintenance costs, and higher passenger capacity make it attractive for carriers competing in international markets where operational margins matter. Safety enhancements are deeply integrated into the aircraft's design. Boeing has implemented updated flight control technologies, structural reinforcements, and more reliable component systems. These improvements aim to restore confidence and reinforce Boeing's commitment to rigorous safety standards following industry scrutiny in recent years. In terms of performance, the 777X excels with impressive takeoff power, exceptional climb rates, and the ability to maintain efficiency across extremely long distances. Its improved aerodynamics allow smoother handling in turbulence and greater stability during long cruising phases. This consistency makes it a strong contender for routes connecting continents without stopovers. Overall, the Boeing 777X 2026 stands as a modern flagship aircraft, blending innovation, efficiency, and comfort into one impressive long-haul machine. It reflects Boeing's push to regain leadership in the wide-body market by offering airlines a jet that is powerful, economical, reliable, and highly appealing to passengers. As global travel rebounds, the 777X is positioned to become a dominant presence in the skies for the coming decades.